Hello and welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to practice English listening. This lesson is specifically designed for beginners to help you understand common words and natural sentence structures. Before we begin, if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. It really helps us create more content for your English journey. Let's get started. The story begins on a busy Monday morning at the airport. Sarah, a young woman from Rome, is stepping off a long flight. She is clutching two heavy suitcases and a small red backpack. Her heart is beating fast with a mix of fear and excitement. This is it. Her first day of living in a big new city. She takes a deep breath and looks for the arrival's exit. The airport is huge and a little bit confusing for her. She sees the large yellow and black signs above her head. They point towards the train station and taxi stands. Sarah follows the other people who are also arriving. She feels small in the middle of this giant building. Her adventure is finally starting after months of planning. The first major challenge is getting into the city center. Sarah finds the automated ticket machines for the airport train. She needs to buy a travel card for the local transport. The machine looks complex with many different options. She looks at her phone to check the best ticket to buy. She is determined to manage everything by herself. The train is much faster and cleaner than she expected. Sarah sits near the window, looking at the changing landscape. Soon, the green trees become large urban buildings. A weak reflection of her face is visible on the glass. Her phone makes a sound. Her new apartment is nearby. She is ready for the next part of her journey. The main station is her stop. It is a busy hub. She pulls her suitcases onto the platform with difficulty. The station has beautiful iron and glass architecture. She looks up at the historic ceiling with wonder. A kind man offers to help her with one heavy bag. She smiles and feels the warmth of the local people. Outside, the sky is gray, but it is not raining. Sarah can see red buses and black taxis everywhere. The city feels alive and people move very quickly. She checks the address of her flat on a small map. The district is famous for its beautiful white houses. She decides to walk to enjoy her first moments here. Sarah walks down long streets with elegant buildings. She likes the neat gardens in front of the homes. Every corner has a classic red telephone box. The city looks exactly like it does in the movies. She feels very happy to be walking here today. Finally, she arrives at the address for her shared flat. She rings the doorbell and waits for a response. She looks expectant and a little nervous on the doorstep. A young woman opens the door with a large smile. "Hi, you must be Sarah," she says with a clear accent. "I am Emily, your new flatmate. Please come in." Sarah feels relieved that her roommate is so friendly. Emily leads Sarah into a small but bright bedroom. A large window with curtains overlooks a green garden. The room is tidy and feels instantly very cozy. Sarah puts her red backpack on the clean bed. The sunlight is trying to shine through the clouds. It is not a huge room, but it is home for now. They go into the kitchen to have a hot drink. Emily is pouring hot water into 2 large mugs. There are different types of tea on the wooden table. The atmosphere in the kitchen is casual and friendly. Sarah tells Emily about her journey from Italy. Drinking tea together is a great way to start. It is afternoon and the sun is finally out. Sarah wants to buy some food for her dinner. The local shops have many signs in English. She walks down the high street with a shopping bag. She buys bread, milk, and some traditional biscuits. Everything feels like a small adventure for her. Sarah continues her walk towards a massive park. The grass is vibrant green and the air is fresh. Many people are running near the large lake. She sits on a bench to watch the people go by. Tall trees create beautiful shady paths for walkers. It is peaceful to be in nature inside a big city. It is evening and the city lights are coming on. She takes a classic red double-decker bus home. Sarah sits upstairs to see the view from the top. The bus moves slowly through the night traffic. The city at night is full of beautiful reflections. She feels very small but very safe on the bus. Back in the flat, Emily is cooking a warm dinner. The kitchen smells like roasted chicken and herbs. Sarah is very tired, but she helps Emily a little. They share a meal and talk more about their lives. The first day is hard, but Emily is very kind. Sarah is happy she found such a nice place to stay. Finally, Sarah goes to her room to rest. She opens her laptop and calls her family in Italy. She tells them about the airport, the bus, and Emily. She smiles at the screen and says she is okay. She looks at the quiet street through the window. Her new life is starting, and she feels ready. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this practice was helpful for your English journey. Don't forget to check out the other lessons appearing on your screen right now to keep improving. See you in the next video.